is like this.
Oh, today, the catch of the day.
Wait, I bet the seagull's like this.
How are we going to
bitch.
get him out?
Oh my gosh. He actually reeled in a seagull.
Oh no, this is so crazy.
Look at that. That was with your
my
pole.
God, oh
Did
my
she swallow
God,
it?
poor
Just cut the
guy.
line.
Or just cut open the seagull.
That was with your pole, puppy. No, he's trying to.
He's trying to
I know,
get
I'm
it
trying
out
to give her
without
some
killing
support.
the bird.
All right. You want to just cut the line?
Mommy!
Yeah.
I got a
1
knife.
second. Pliers.
Mommy!
Oh my gosh, and I got a fish. Hey, Ukraine, why don't you reel my fish in here? What should we do?
Yo, chill.
Oh, you
bird,
said
they're trying to
pliers.
help
These
you.
are pliers.
You want to cut it with this?
Yeah.
Yo, be careful, guys. Don't get hurt.
I'm trying.
His mother!
That's all you can do. Let her go.
Look, we're trying to help you. Get the hell out of here now.
Poor thing.
Go, you see?
She's stunned. Ha! Nice, right? Thanks, man. Beautiful. Of course, when he catches the seagulls, the moment I get a fish. Mine's bigger than yours. Mine's fatter anyway.
Mine got bigger teeth.
Yep. Ah. That's the way to do it right there. Barely hook that lip. It's not even. No. Would you like him? You wanna? You eat.